That video pissed me up. Because of this stupid set of women that make a perfect insult me one certain time. Because I stood for them when he a single mom. And what we are moving now, madam. Who think about why my video where children did the annoying part of it now where children did for they do your rubbish. Who beneta to be responsible woman like you. I know Jews are tossing people when they jot to say that they respond. This one is an irresponsible. You call out, go and brush yourself up. You are too dirty for my liking. Allah gonna know my manner. Oh, what that do why not over a single mother? Oh, we made 13 years, or ye na more coke here. Oh, be my boy barona 4 years or jelly on. Oh, my kissing me there. We can oje. About all the PM we can oje. You know, the dating boy, like my boy, not good. Tell me, I'm a quarry. Even do I can obi at the phone, at the do things, at the. But, who beg him not concern on it. Like when the daughter imagine on it. Oh, yeah, if man want talk to her, now so she dey do. Even that time, if my ex, they want talk to her, now so she go dey. She know they look their face. Hey, monoria, children when spoil. If they see ma, if they went, oh, have your cocoa. Now they go carry shares, come outside, begin to talk. Why I money saka? E money saka yaga miopia. They go chuka put for the man. Picking children when spoil. If you get such picking, oh yeah, get there. So I repair that child. If you get such picking, when be say if you see man, you go just you can go what doing, what done, or what sell well. As you see that man on that time, you go come one make on the throwing your shop at no see na sport child you get. What log wise in a single mom? What log wise so? Ekia beluwa. Now, cause somebody kill some of una. Una go watch me something if I want to use such vocal word like this. I would talk as small, so I'll come bring gun down. See the video when they talk, when they word, when they do that. One logo where mother ya total. I even did a video that said, come, people when they collect their children, they don't they make noise. I remember then when my daughter did so much, she didn't want to hear. Because I did when I give birth to her. The woman when I get the place, one come they follow me, they drag my pikin. Waiting make her because before social one collect your pikin, there must be a reason. Then my daughter fine, well, will not be now when she don't go, she don't change. My daughter make call. People when know my daughter, when know me and my daughter, when know us that they know the story when I want to talk so. My daughter fine, where na pikin way fine. Waiting make them want to collect that child from me before this child from me. The place when I did, I said I no fit sick, I don't tire. I want to go walk. I don't tire, I'm depressed in here. I want to go and walk. Those of you know the story. Una go know say na through this woman talk. They don't want to collect my pikin because I abandon her. They don't want to collect my pikin because I want to take care of her. They don't want to collect my pikin because I dey carry the fefe men. No. Now the reason I want to tell you so. Because I want to go look for work. They tell me, so okay, no problem. Go look for work. Meanwhile, I don't know say na target neither day. Now target because me there, I don't complain. I want come up for their hand. I want go meet the child papa. That time papa still dey Italy there. Because I want go meet her. They say no, they not go agree. Me and her because that one still dey young. They still dey young. They say no, say we too dey young. We not fit take care of the child. I said, now you born my pikin for me. So I was making problem with them doing everything. I told them, say look, I want go carry this pikin go meet papa. They say no. Okay, I want still go work. Because me na woman will be say. I know if you know guys, my husband go get money rich, he go say me no work. If I know one, if my husband say me I know they work under people, he go give me money, use and start business. Not because I want to be mama or man. No, I just want to be independent woman. I just want to do something to support the family. I be that kind of woman right from time. I be hardworking woman. I not be lazy woman. Forget you as you just see me, so forget that thing. No job when I don't feel do, I don't feel talk. I feel do like weekly. I feel put send it for my head, the sellers. I don't sell my €1 this thing now. Just to support myself. I don't want to depend on my or go to sleep with different men for money. Even that time when I see they date, I see talking. I know they date because independent women, if they tell you say they love you, they really love you. Not because of what you get, because you have nothing to offer. There's just someone like me, You have may have nothing to offer me. Because I can walk, I'm a strong woman, I can do it alone. I only need man back up, sumo. May you push me, so I'll follow up. Watch out for the other part.